guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Kelly. I'm a fashion reseller, and today I have a haul for you guys. Items that I'm going to be sending to ThredUp, so mid designer to high designer, I would say. And I've never sent any of these brands to ThredUp, but I'm thinking they'll do well just based on my research, just based on looking at the reseller community and other people's sales, and looking also on the website. I think they should do well and hopefully give me a payout of $80 to $100 or higher. We'll definitely see. It's definitely new for me. I'm not sure about how they'll exactly do, but we'll see. I chose these items not only for the brand, but also some of them are new with tags and they retail for over $200. So that was definitely a deciding factor. Also, I think it's important to look at the fabrics of the items that you're choosing. Some fabrics do well better than others, for example wool or cashmere, silk. So that's another factor to consider when you're choosing items to send to ThredUp that are designer, or even if they're not designer. So let's just get into it. So this first item is by Vince, and this is new with tags, retails for $365, and it's just this lace drawstring waist dress. I thought it was cute. It's solid. It's a basic, but I thought it was cute. It does have these pockets, and I'm definitely sure the price is high, so I think this will do well. We'll definitely see about that. And it is a size medium. So this next item is by Clover Canyon, tag, and it is a size small. And it's kind of like a scuba material dress. It's a floral detail. It's really pretty. It's very pretty. And it's got this zipper in the back. And this is a higher end designer brand, so I am definitely hoping that this will do well, and I'm sure the price is high as well. Amanda Uprichard, another designer brand. I would say like a mid-range designer brand. And it's got like this glitter, kind of like polka dot detail, and like a halter, kind of like a halter neck, not really. It has this zipper detail in the back, and I thought this was really pretty. And they also seem to, of course, price this pretty high. Next is this gown, and this is by Nicole Miller on the tag. Nicole Miller collection. So here's the tag. And it is a really pretty purple gown with this gold embellishment right here. Very, very pretty. Super, super pretty. And a side zipper detail on the side. Now, a majority of these items I did source on Poshmark. Poshmark is a great resource I use to source. It definitely takes a lot of some work. It definitely takes some work. You're gonna have to search and look it up, and search by style. You can search by brand, you can search by size. So it definitely takes time, but I figure if I'm spending maybe 2 or 3 hours in a thrift store or driving around, I can definitely spend 2-3 hours online looking for inventory. So that's my mindset with that. So this next item is by Elijah J. Doesn't retail for as much as some of the other brands, but I thought it was a pretty dress. It's a great size. It's a size 14. Cold shoulder dress. Floral details pretty. Cinch waist. And I think somebody definitely needs this on vacation. So this is really pretty. I'm gonna definitely send this. Next is Sail to Sable. So here is the tag right here, and this is a size X small, and it actually is new with tags, retails for $210, and it's a brand that I did look at on ThredUp, and I saw that it was priced high and actually sold high. Similar style, sold for actually I believe like $200 and either $200 or $230. It was new with tags. Similar style, but not the same print. So I'm thinking this one will also do well. Next is this BCBG mini dress. I don't always pick this brand up, but it was new with tags. This brand does do pretty well on ThredUp. I have sold this brand before. There's a tag. And what I did mean to say is actually, I don't always pick this brand up as far as like paying up for it. Typically find this brand at the bins and I pick it up, send it to ThredUp. But it was new with tags. I actually got it in a mystery box, so that was perfect. So it's really cute with these pockets on the side, the sweetheart neckline. So definitely cute and definitely something that maybe somebody is looking for, maybe for a wedding or I don't know, something like that. Next is this pretty Trina Turk dress. So there is a tag and it is a size 0. It has this really pretty shoulder detail, the belted waistline, and I think this will do well. I think this is a really pretty dress. Next is another dress by Amanda Uprichard. It's this floral cold shoulder mini dress. So love, love, love it. It's super cute, very pretty. And here's a tag again. And it was new with, it's new with tags, and it does not have the retail tag on it. But I'm sure this retailed for a lot, maybe like $200, $230. So again, a very pretty dress, perfect for summer, very lightweight, 100% silk. So that's, of course, that's another reason why I did pick it up, because of the fabric and because it was new with tags. Next is another dress by Amanda Uprichard, and it is very pretty maxi dress. It actually has this like slit right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. But it's really pretty cold shoulder dress, and I love, love, love this dress, and I really want to keep it. I did try it on. I really do want to keep it. I'm not going to keep it, of course, but very pretty. Absolutely love this. 100% silk. Again, another reason why I picked it up. Silk, and it's new with tag. So next is this Propel Boutique Evening like glitter mini dress. Really cute. Here's the tag. It may have been new without tags because of this. I'm not sure. But I think this is so, so pretty. I absolutely love this. Super cute. And I think this will definitely do well. We'll see. Next is this pair of shorts by Rebecca Taylor. And they're kind of like, they're not denim, so they're kind of like a chambray type texture. Here is the tag, and they were new at tags, and they retailed for $245. So again, another reason why I picked them up. Has this little fringe detail, zipper detail, so that was cute. But mainly picked these up because again, it was I got a great deal on these. They were a great designer brand, and they were new with tag. About the noise, it is about 9 a.m. in the morning, and the guy is here cutting, the lawnmower guy is, the landscape guy is here cutting the grass. This next piece is by St. John's. So this is size 12, so great size. It has this like low V-neck and the kind of like cinched front. It does have a side zipper, and it is very pretty. It's 100% silk. Again, enough that material I do like to send to ThredUp because it seems to be well from the few items that I have sent to them that were silk. This next item is by Armani Collezioni, high-end designer brand. Retails for a ton. This is a size 6. And it is just this black, 100% silk, wrap front skirt. It has this pretty green color. It's black. It's simple, but it's cute. Item is again by Armani Collezioni. Super cute mini skirt. Excellent quality. And next is this mini skirt. It's by Acris Punto, and let me try to show you the tag. So it's a size 8, and it's super cute. Simple but cute. Maybe you could wear this to the office, or if you're business casual or something. I don't know if it'll be too short, but I really like it. It's really cute, and I think this brand seems to definitely do well on ThredUp. Just looking at what they're pricing it at. So I'm hoping this will sell well, do well. And then this last item is a handbag. So this is not something I sourced from Poshmark, but I've had this in my closet since October and it has not sold. So I'm definitely gonna send it to ThredUp and give that a try. It is in excellent condition. It's I believe it's called the Tory Burch Mercer Mini. I'm not sure. I forgot, but it does come with a crossbody strap. Really, really cute, in excellent condition. And yeah, definitely hoping this will do well. And this is a great style. I think this will really do well. And I'll probably price this at $250, maybe even $300 on the site, just because I've been on there, I've seen the other handbags, and they price them pretty high depending on the style, and there's no style like this on the site, so I think it'll do well. Next item is by Ella Moss, and it is just this short sleeve cardigan with this fringe at the bottom. Let me show you the tag. Ella Moss, size X small. And the reason why I picked this up is because there is a cashmere blend. Is it a cashmere blend? Lamb's wool cashmere. It is a lamb's wool cashmere blend. So again, I was telling you about fabrics that do well on ThredUp, and I definitely think cashmere is one of those fabrics. So very cute. Next is this silk front wrap skirt, and this is by Vince. And this is an X small. By Vince. And I think that they do price this brand high, so that is another reason why I picked it up. And of course, so next item is by Eileen Fisher, and Eileen Fisher is a brand that I usually do sell on my own, but I'm sending it in ThredUp because I want to see how it does. It's a brand I've been following on ThredUp, and they do seem to price it high. It does seem to sell for a pretty decent amount, so I'm giving it a try. This is 100% wool, so another fabric that I feel will do well on ThredUp. Just a midi dress, 100% wool. Next dress is by Michael Kors, and this is another item that was in that mystery box that I ordered off of Poshmark. It's this glitter, it's pretty, very pretty glitter mini dress, and has these front pockets. It's a size 2 petite. Another brand that doesn't sell the highest for me, but it is priced pretty high on ThredUp. And keep in mind, there is the Michael Kors collection. There's Michael Kors, and then there's Kors by Michael Kors. So this is like next step down from the Michael Kors collection, but it's very pretty, and I think this will definitely do well. So this next dress, I was making the bundle and I saw Layla Rose, and I was like, oh my gosh, Layla Rose, that's a designer brand. I have to get this dress. So this is actually Layla Rose by Neiman Marcus. They did a collaboration. Not sure when. Here you go. But yeah, so Layla Rose, Neiman Marcus. So not sure. I'm sure this did not retail for nearly as much as Layla Rose does, but it's like a high. I'm sure you can't see this, but so this is like a high-low dress. It's very pretty purple. This like tie front ruche going on. And so size 2. So it's definitely a pretty dress. I know when I went on ThredUp, because I was just curious, I was looking up this style. I did see 1 or 2 dresses, same exact style, I think the same exact size. So I'm not sure how it's gonna do. They weren't priced very high, so we'll see. Hopefully I'm able to just make my money back on this one. Next is by Alice and Olivia, and it is this career style sleeveless dress with the peplum, and here's the tag right here. So it is a size 10, so good size, and I think this will do well. I think people are definitely looking for career pieces to wear for maybe back to school or going to work, so I think it'll do well. It has a zipper in the back. Okay, this next item is not a designer brand, not even really mid-range designer. It is soft surrounding sew. It was another item I got in that Poshmark bundle, and it is new with tags. It doesn't have the retail tags on it, but it has the an extra button still attached. It's a 1X, and I heard that blazers do well on ThredUp, so that is the main reason why I bought this and picked this up. The button's really cute with this like beaded detail on the button, so that's why I picked this up. I think it'll do really well. And yeah, this last item is by Acris Puno, and it is this 100% wool jacket. It has these cuff sleeves, front pockets, button up detail, and I will show you the tag. Here's the tag, and if you flip this up, you will actually see the size of the item. So if you look at this and you're like, oh no, there's no size, the size is actually underneath. So I think this will definitely do well. 100% wool, because of the brand, because of the style, definitely do well. Definitely the price is high. I'm not sure exactly. Maybe I'll price it at around, I don't know, anywhere from $250, $350. I'm not sure yet, but I know it'll definitely do well. So if you're wondering what ThredUp is, or why I'm specifically sending these designer items to ThredUp, I definitely would recommend you checking out my other ThredUp videos. I'll definitely link them below and link them up here on the screen, and they'll be very helpful. I think they'll be very helpful in allowing you to learn what ThredUp is and exactly why I am sending pieces specifically to ThredUp to sell for profit. Okay guys, thank you for checking out my video. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.